Hey, what's up everybody? In this video tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at how to create the putting green flag that's going to be marking where the hole is on your course. So first thing I'm going to do is create a sketch. And when I go to create my sketch, I'm going to be orbiting this and taking a look down inside the cup. And I'm actually going to pick the base of the actual cup itself. And then go ahead and look at this in the top view. All right, so what I'm going to do is create a circle. I should be able to find a center point in here and go ahead and draw my circle. And then I'm going to say that my actual, flag pole or stick is going to be a 1/2 inch in diameter and green check it. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and just orbit this just a little bit. Use extrude, grab that circle. I'm going to say I want this to be 6 foot tall, so that's going to be 72 inches, and I green check it. Okay, and that's going to be bringing that right up there, okay, to the top. All right, so since I want to create an actual flag on this, I'm going to use sketch. I'm going to pick the top of the circle and then come in here and look right here on top of it. I'm going to cheat a little bit. I think what I'm going to use is center point rectangle. I'm going to start this from the center. I'm going to go ahead and just construct my rectangle like so. And I'm going to say that my flag is actually going to be 12 inches long, but since we're using center point rectangle, I'm going to go ahead and just double that to make it 24. So it's going to be 12 inches on one side and 12 inches on the other. Now what I can do is use dimension. And I'm going to say that my thickness of my flag is like, like 0.06, like a 16th of an inch or something. And then all I have to do is actually just draw a line starting from the midpoint here and take it to the midpoint here. And now I can go ahead and use trim out this other portion of it and green check it. I'm going to look at this from an isometric view. And now what I'm going to do is use extrude, make sure to grab this and this, send it in the other direction, and I'm going to be sending this down, I don't know, let's just call it 10 inches. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Okay, and that looks like about right. All right, it should be rectangular in shape, so I'm going to go ahead and green check it. And this is the point when we can go ahead now and go to our appearance panel. I'm going to say I want to add an appearance, go to white. I'm going to make sure that the pole itself is white, even the top of it, just like so, and green check it. And I'm going to come out here and use red as my other appearance. So it's going to be this portion of the flag, flip it over. It's going to be this portion of the flag. Okay, and it looks like this portion of the flag. And then on the base itself, if I can see it, okay, this is also going to be the same color. I green check it. And there you go. That is your putting green flag to mark, okay, the location of the actual hole on your individual golf course hole.